Hello, my name is Christy Hernandez, and I am the sound designer here at the Rose Theater. And I am here to tell you a little bit about sound design and how we tell a story through music and through sound effects. Now, I've chosen Dragons of Tacos to do this little project with because it is one of my favorite shows that I've done here at the Rose. Also, I think it really lends itself to a lot of really fun music and sound. If you came to see Dragons of Tacos at the Rose, this is not going to be the same music and the same sound effects I chose at that time. I'm creating this a year later. I've learned a lot. It is really important to know that you're always learning, you're always going to find new choices to make. And I decided maybe we can work with this together and see about good choices and bad choices with sound design. So first we're gonna watch a video of the show without any sound, without any music. Usually that's not how we start the process. Usually we start the process by reading a script and reading it again and again and again. And then we have meetings and we talk about a concept and talk about what is right for the show. When we initially did Dragons of Tacos, we realized that we were really wanting to put some of that Hispanic music in there, which was really fun for me, seeing as that's my culture and that's my background. So I got to put a lot of songs from my childhood in this show, which is probably why it's my favorite. But enough of that, let's get right to it. So let's watch this clip, and I'm going to tell you about the things I see and what I think we're going to do with it. Okay, so first off, we're gonna have to hear a doorbell so that the boy can go to the door. And when we get the boy to the door, we know the dragon's gonna come out, right? So we have to have with some suspenseful music, and it's a dragon, so it's scary. So we have to put that first. And then it looks like the boy gets a shock and he falls, so it looks kind of funny. So maybe we put something funny in there? I don't know. Later, oh, the dragon's giving the boy some flowers. Okay, so it's a nice dragon. So we have to tell the story with sound about that. So it's a nice dragon. Alright, and then, oh, here comes another dragon. Oh, this dragon looks kind of crazy. Look, he's dancing. Alright, so it's a crazy dragon just going down the stairs and, oh, circle, circle. That looks like another sound effect moment. So let's see. Oh, and oh no, the dragon's sad. Oh, 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 look at this dragon. The blue. Blue's my favorite color. Okay, so the blue dragon comes out and he looks scared. He looks kind of scared, doesn't he? He's gonna slowly make his way down the stairs here in a second. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we first did it, he timed that out to the music, which we might not be able to do at this time, but we'll see. And he goes across, and he's scared, and he runs and he hides behind the red dragon. That's funny. The yellow dragon closes the door, and oh, look at her. She is so energetic. Look how great she is. Okay, and she is flipping. Look at her. That's great. Okay, cool. So that should be... We have some really awesome actors at the Rose. Okay, that should be the end of that clip. Okay, so let's put some sound on this. Okay, so there is different ways to go about this. Sometimes sound designers compose their music. Sometimes they go to what we call a sound library and we find a music. This is Storyblocks. This is a site that shows us a lot of music that we can use for our shows. So we went ahead and did that for this, just to make it a little bit easier to show you what we do. So here I am going through a bunch of music, and this is just a little clip of all the work that it takes to do this. And then after that, we find the right music and we try to put it on. So let's see if we made a good choice for the first or not. Let's see how that looks. So there is our doorbell, and now we are listening to some kind of intense music. And I am thinking it might be too intense to what we want. Alright, I don't think that's gonna work. Maybe we should try something different. That's a little bit more energetic, more get to what we're doing, but it's still kind of scary. Oh, a little funny, and now the man says that he's a nice dragon to... So there's a nice dragon. I feel like that music makes a little bit more sense. What do you think? Alright, so here comes the next dragon. And he's energetic, so this is some high beat music. Let's see if this works with it. It's high beat, so it looks like it works, but it doesn't feel right, does it? It doesn't feel like it goes with the show. Maybe we should try something different. How about this? Look, it looks like he's dancing to it. Let's add a little bit of a sound effect right here when he goes around. Oh, they're chasing! And, oh no. Oh, he's sad. Alright, that seems like it works. Oh, I don't... It's a slow, shy song, so it would kind of work with the blue dragon, but I don't know if it takes away from the other songs, right? So we want all the songs to sound the same, or to at least have that same feeling, and I don't think this one really works. Let's try to do something different. I feel like this one's lively, but it still kind of shows who this dragon is. What do you think? Alright, and then there's one more dragon. This is definitely an energetic song, right? Again, it doesn't really fit what the dragon is. I think we should try something else. Let's see. Yeah, look at that! I think that has the same energy she does, don't you? Oh, and now that's all of them. They say, ta-da! Alright, so let's watch it all together and see if it works. They're all different songs because they're different dragons. I think they go together pretty well, don't you? Now, those were the choices I did last year. So I'm going to show you what I did last year. Just remember that I was able to rewatch the show and kind of put sound to the show. That's not usually what the process is, and maybe I'll have a video out about how the process works. This was a little bit about just telling you why sound is important. If we put the wrong music there, it really doesn't convey what we're trying to do. So for this next clip is basically the clip of the show. We used a lot of Hispanic music, a lot of music from Mexico that kind of, in my opinion, showed who these dragons were. And so yeah, let's go ahead and watch it. I had a lot of fun doing this show, if you can't tell. I really loved spending some time with you. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please let us know. Maybe in the future we can do some other videos to kind of tell you about the design and the process of design. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming to the Rose and enjoying these shows. We really wouldn't be able to do anything with you without all your help. Please stay at home, stay safe, and have a nice day.